Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is another holiday adventure. Today we are going to Cyprus. We are staying in the Atlantica Bay Hotel in the Limassol area. It's an all-inclusive hotel. Obviously it's beginning of April that we are going, so weather's not going to be too hot, but hopefully it's going to be around about 19-20 degrees. Maybe a bit of rain, we'll see. But it's me, Matt, Mum and Dad. We are going to celebrate my mother's birthday while we're out there. So yeah, let's go to Cyprus. So we are here, we've checked into the Atlantica Bay Hotel in Cyprus, excuse my hair. The staff here, phenomenal. They are so accommodating. Don't know if you guys know, I have an allergy. They've been really accommodating and kind and helpful towards me. Our room is stunning. There's a spa downstairs which has a really warm pool. We can't wait to go in. The main pool's down there. It's a bit cold, don't think we're going to go in there. Very much looking forward to our evening meal this evening, and hopefully they did say that the weather might pick up over the next few days. I don't mind a bit of cloud, but a bit of sun would also be nice too. But I just think I'm going to spend my day tomorrow in the indoor pool down there. But so far so good. I can't fault the staff. They've been absolutely amazing since we arrived, and yeah, everything's looking great. So yeah, let's enjoy our holiday. So today we are thinking of going for a walk down the marina. So I don't know if you can see all the way over there is a marina, like a boat area. So we're gonna go for a walk there. I think it's about half an hour walk there and then another half an hour coming back. But it's still quite hazy here, so obviously the sun is out, but we thought maybe we'd go for a walk. It's still very, very hot at the moment, but it is actually nice and sunny today, so let's go for a little wander. Okay, so today guys we are going to the Amatheus ruins, which is only a 6-minute walk to the hotel. It's a bit hazy and cloudy today, so we're just going to go for a little walk around the ruins, so that should be nice. And that's the weather, so we brought an umbrella. We'll see what happens. So take 2, it rained earlier, so we went back. So it's this afternoon now and it's hopefully dry. So we are going to try again. We've just fed some cats, so now we're going to try and see the ruins. So I think we took the long way. We went like along the coastal path, which is about half an hour, I would say. Now we are currently up on the mountains. The ruins you have to pay to get in. It's only €2.50 per person, but we just couldn't be bothered to pay. So we're walking up on the mountains, and you can actually have a really good view of all the ruins on this mountain path. So as you can see, there's like a path on the mountain here, and we're hoping that this will bring us back to where we originally were, where the cats were, because it's like a 5-minute walk then to the hotel. So that's hopefully the plan. But yeah, it's really nice up here, and at least the sun is out now. So this afternoon we're going to go to Limassol on the bus. It's the Limassol town and marina. So just outside the hotel there is the bus stop. So obviously this is the hotel, so you need to go down to -1. The bus stop is there, and it's bus number 30. It's about half an hour to the Limassol town area, and it's €2 per person per way. So that's what we're going to do this afternoon. So unfortunately today is checkout day. We've been here a week now. It has flown by. We've had an amazing time, honestly. It's been such a lovely holiday. Very different to other holidays that we've been on, because this is very chilled. We haven't had to rush to get up for sunbeds. Everything is just really laid back. Like, we haven't had to plan anything. It's literally been on a whim. Obviously the weather hasn't been great for some of it, but we've had a nice few days, the last few days, and we've managed to do a couple of trips, and we've managed to do a little bit of sunbathing, which is really nice. But if you are looking to come to this hotel, then I'd definitely recommend it, because they are so lovely here. The staff just want to do everything to please you, from like the maids, the bartenders, the waitresses, the receptionists, the managers. Everybody is just so helpful and kind, and they want to do everything they can to give you the best holiday possible. Everyone is just amazing. Also the cats here, we've loved all the different cats. They look after the cats really well here, and you can make a donation to the hotel towards like cat food, and they take them to the vets, and they really check them over, and they look after them really well here, and the cats are really happy and content. The views from the hotel are amazing. We're right on the seafront, and actually the location is amazing. We actually went into Limassol yesterday, and it didn't look as nice as this area. I think we picked the right area. It looked a little bit rough in some other areas, so this is definitely a quiet, nice, peaceful and good area to be in, I would say. The food here is amazing. Like I said, they've been really accommodating with my allergy. They've prepared all my meals separately for me, and I've been able to have whatever I want. It's been good for vegetarians as well. There's been really good meat options. Everything is cooked with quality here, not quantity. So the food has been absolutely amazing. I do wish the indoor pool was just a little bit warmer though. It is a bit cold, and obviously like we can't go in the outdoor pool, but
no, it's been really nice to actually dip into the indoor pool now and then as well. And it's also really nice so that when we've had a thunderstorm and showers, to just run into the indoor pool area. That's been really nice as well. The clientele here are also really nice. There's no rowdy people, there's no loud, noisy people here. The clientele are really nice here as well, which does make a difference in the hotel. There's also a rep here called Lisa with TUI, and she's been really helpful and she's done her job perfectly, really. So she's really helpful and she's been chatting to us every day. She's been marvellous. Like I also said about location, we were right by the bus stop here. We were within walking distance to the beach, walking distance to the ruins, walking distance to a supermarket. There's actually not much around here. There's no like touristy shops or anything, but there is a supermarket about 5 minutes down the road on the left hand side if you go out. But yeah, the location here is pretty bang on, I would say. And we came here for a present to my mother. She is having a special birthday coming up, and overall we've all absolutely loved this holiday. It's been so chilled out, so enjoyable, so relaxing, and we definitely are surprised with how much we've enjoyed it and how much we've enjoyed being in Cyprus. Obviously with the war going on as well, my mother was a little bit anxious about coming, but there's absolutely nothing to worry about. Nothing has happened. It's really safe and calm here. And yeah, overall we've had an amazing holiday. And we're not flying till, well, we're not being picked up till lunchtime today. I think we're flying about 3:15. So we're going to enjoy the morning by the pool, and then we're going to fly home. But if you are thinking of coming to Atlantica Bay Hotel in Cyprus, definitely do it. It's an amazing hotel.